All right, guys. So we broke the new radiator. It's bust. Right here, it's punctured. Pretty bad. This is the side it landed on, so that's how I got punctured. I guess I got a little bit of coolant and oil mix or whatever not going on. We do have the old radiator still. We're gonna have to swap out the radiator again off of this. Got to get a front light. I need to get the side fairings. Here's all the oil I was telling you guys about. A lot of oil. I wiped it down, but if you can see, look, see how much oil that is? That's how much I wiped out of here. It was covered. Look at that. In the crevices and stuff, this thing was shiny. Oil everywhere. And my filter is full of oil as well. So I'm not sure why is it picking up so much oil. Because it sits like this. And if you can see it, like, it's pretty dirty. Here's the top cover. This will give you guys a good idea. This is the top cover. I didn't wipe it. Look how shiny. So can you imagine what the bottom of it was looking like with just the top? Full of oil. So I'm taking too much oil. I'm not understanding why my bike is sucking up so much oil. I'm not sure. To have, like, I don't know, I guess the carbs have backed off a little bit and two of them was connected real good and two wasn't. And it wasn't really picking up the oil and I didn't see drips or anything. But now, when I fixed everything and got the new radiator and stuff, like, I just get drips. Like, they're everywhere. See that? Like, everywhere. It's just oil drips. So, there's a lot going on. I need to try to figure out what's going on. I cranked it earlier. The bike still starts, which is good. It sounded good when it cranked up. Didn't hear anything all like bashing or rattling or anything like that. So once I change this radiator out and then we go ahead and change the fluids. I mean, this radiator took a beating, guys. Look at this. It took a beating. But this gives me a chance to do everything I need to do to the bike. Basically, get this wire loom, get the lights that I actually wanted, because I'm rocking these LEDs and these HIDs, and the HIDs are actually making the lens crack a little bit. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but there's little bitty cracks and stuff, stress cracks from it getting hot and then cooling off so quick. And now that it's getting cold, it's gonna start looking a lot worse. So I'm running HIDs that go to like a car, I think a Honda or something. But if you guys seen, I have a video shows you how I rigged them up to make them work for the bike, and it works. It's been working. These these lenses don't really have a breather because the light bulb don't really get that hot. I guess or whatever, but it doesn't really have a breather. And I didn't bother to drill a hole to make one, but I'm sure if I did that, I'm sure the HIDs actually work and probably keep less stress on them. So those are done for. Well, that one is done for, so we need to get another one. Somehow the light on the fuel pump switch isn't working now. It fooled me. I thought it was messed up, and then I let the bike sit for a bit. I hit the switch and I heard the pump, and then I was able to crank the bike again after that. I'm not sure how this bike is set for safety mode, but after it landed on the side, I'm pretty sure I flooded it, and the spark plugs got wet with the coolant and stuff, because that's obviously coolant and water. I mean, coolant and oil. So hopefully we didn't mess nothing up. Like I said, it cranked up, sound good. I didn't let it run, and I didn't really over rev it or anything. I'm gonna pull the carburetors off, check carburetors, make sure there's no trash. Make sure we have no leaks, check the leveling, and go from there. Check some more specs, and then we're gonna check spark plugs as well. And from there, we're gonna go ahead and redo wiring. Try to get all this wiring looking a lot better and stuff like that. Tone it down a little bit. I don't even want to see know, so I got that rat nest right there. Get that rat nest situated as well. Steps, baby steps. But I'm just glad I didn't break these lenses right here. I think they're like dragon scale fluorescent, like it's like a dragon scale, but I'm not even sure or where I would get another set for that. That is dope though. I like those. This right here is all messed up. It's scratched. I'm not even gonna try to do too much. I mean, I might give it a quick, I don't know, a quick scuff, or probably find like you know what? I got something in store for this. I'll see if you guys like it. I'll see if you guys like it. Dang, look at that. That's all bad. It's cracked. Oh yeah. That's all bad. So, yeah, I'll just go to my favorite spot, APF, and see if they have any parts left. Hopefully they have like another fairing and the front piece. I mean, my front piece is actually right here. It's not as bad, but it's bad as far as like it's talking. It's like a shoe that came from its soul, if you know what I'm saying. So this is the front, and it's like this now with the bottom portion right here. So as you can see how much that we are missing, and we're missing that much over here. I mean, I kind of have this piece still over there, the little piece, but that's too much for finagling, man. It's too much. So I'd rather just get another, keep my windshield. Sad part is I just put this mount on. That's sad. So I'm gonna end up taking this mount back off, and I'm gonna put the double-sided tape that I have on there, which sucks because it's like the tape that they have, it's way better than the tape you're gonna buy. Sucks. But that's the wrap. That's the update. That's all I can say. Yep. There you got it.